What if I told you that the key to unlocking your weight loss goals lies in something as simple as adjusting when you eat, not what you eat? Right now, millions of people are discovering the power of the 16-hour fast, and it's revolutionizing the way we think about shedding pounds. In this video, we're diving deep into the secret of the 16-hour fast and how it can help you lose weight faster than traditional methods. But why does it work so well, and why should you start implementing it immediately? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the science behind it but also feel empowered to make it a part of your daily routine. The 16-hour fast, also known as intermittent fasting, is more than just a trend. It's a proven method to accelerate fat loss, boost metabolism, and even improve your overall health. The best part? You don't have to change what you eat drastically. Instead, it's all about timing. By limiting your eating window to just 8 hours a day, your body enters a state where it burns stored fat more efficiently, helping you lose weight without feeling deprived. If you've struggled with diets that leave you hungry and frustrated, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick with us, and we'll show you how to get started today, and why this simple shift could finally be the answer to your weight loss journey. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you restrict your diet or push yourself at the gym, the results just don't seem to match the effort? It's a common frustration in today's fast-paced world where people are constantly searching for the next big solution to weight loss. In a sea of complicated diet plans and workout routines, it can be easy to overlook simpler, more effective approaches. One such method that has gained increasing attention is the 16-hour fast, a form of intermittent fasting that is not only manageable but also scientifically proven to help shed pounds. But why does it work, and how can you use it to your advantage? The concept behind the 16-hour fast is simple. You limit your eating to an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. This gives your body a break from constant digestion and allows it to tap into stored fat for energy. What makes this method particularly appealing is that it doesn't require drastic changes to what you eat, just when you eat. However, while the fasting window itself is straightforward, many people make the mistake of overcomplicating the process. They assume that fasting means they can eat anything during their 8-hour window, or they focus too much on calorie counting, losing sight of the real benefits of this approach. One common mistake is not paying attention to the quality of food consumed during the eating period. Many people think that as long as they are fasting for 16 hours, they can indulge in unhealthy, processed foods during the 8-hour window. This can completely sabotage their efforts. While the 16-hour fast does give you some flexibility, it's crucial to remember that your body still needs balanced nutrition to function optimally. A diet rich in whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats will not only complement the fasting process but also help you maintain energy levels and avoid the dreaded sugar crashes that can lead to overeating. Another challenge many face is staying consistent. In a world filled with social gatherings, work commitments, and endless distractions, it can be difficult to stick to a structured eating plan. This is where many people falter. The key to success with the 16-hour fast lies in making it a routine part of your lifestyle rather than a temporary diet. Planning ahead and setting realistic goals are essential steps to ensure long-term success. Many people also find that using tools like fasting apps or joining online communities can provide the motivation and accountability needed to stay on track.
By understanding these common pitfalls and learning how to navigate them, you can unlock the full potential of the 16-hour fast. It's not just about restricting your eating window. It's about optimizing your overall approach to food, energy, and lifestyle. As you prepare to dive deeper into this method, remember that the journey is as much about consistency and mindfulness as it is about the fasting itself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content tailored to your needs. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, so let us know what stood out to you. Your participation helps shape future videos, so stay tuned for more useful insights and keep watching. The 16-hour fast, often referred to as intermittent fasting or the 16:8 method, has gained substantial popularity in recent years as a tool for weight loss and overall health improvement. At its core, this fasting method involves consuming all of your daily calories within an 8-hour window, followed by fasting for the remaining 16 hours. The idea behind this approach is that by extending the time between meals, the body is encouraged to tap into its fat stores for energy, thus promoting weight loss. But how does this really work, and what makes it so effective? To understand the secret behind the 16-hour fast, it's important to dive into the underlying principles and mechanisms that make it a powerful tool for weight management. At the most basic level, the 16-hour fast is rooted in the idea of caloric restriction and metabolic shifts. When you go for an extended period without eating, your body depletes its glycogen stores, essentially the sugar stored in your liver and muscles, and begins to burn fat for energy. This is a natural process that occurs during fasting and is sometimes referred to as metabolic switching. When your body shifts from burning carbohydrates to burning fat, it can lead to more efficient fat loss. Furthermore, fasting helps regulate insulin levels, which plays a critical role in fat storage. When insulin levels are consistently high, the body tends to store more fat, particularly in the abdominal area. By fasting for 16 hours, insulin levels drop, and the body becomes more adept at using fat as a fuel source. One of the most appealing aspects of the 16-hour fast is its simplicity. Unlike many traditional diets that require meticulous tracking of calories, macros, or specific food groups, intermittent fasting focuses primarily on when you eat rather than what you eat. This makes it a more sustainable and less restrictive approach for many people. You don't need to cut out entire food groups or count every calorie. Instead, you simply limit your eating to a specific window of time. For example, if you start eating at noon, you would finish your last meal by 8 p.m. This method can easily be adapted to fit different lifestyles and schedules, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. To provide a clearer understanding, let's look at an example. Imagine someone who typically consumes their meals throughout the day, starting with breakfast at 7 a.m. This person is eating across a 13-hour window. By switching to the 16-hour fast, they might choose to skip breakfast and begin eating at noon, finishing their last meal by 8 p.m. Over time, this shift can lead to a reduction in overall caloric intake, simply because they have fewer hours during the day to consume food. Additionally, the extended fasting period allows the body to burn through its glycogen stores and start utilizing fat for energy. This metabolic shift can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking to lose weight, as it promotes fat loss without the need for extreme calorie cutting or restrictive diets. Research supports the effectiveness of intermittent fasting for weight loss. A 2015 review published in the journal Obesity found that intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss ranging from 3% to 8% over a period of 3 to 24 weeks. Another study published in Cell Metabolism in 2018 showed that intermittent fasting improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and promoted fat loss, particularly in the abdominal area. These findings highlight the potential of intermittent fasting to not only support weight loss, but also improve metabolic health. However, it's essential to approach the 16-hour fast with a clear understanding of how to implement it effectively. While the concept is straightforward, there are several strategies that can enhance its success. First, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. Just because you're limiting the time you eat doesn't mean you should fill that time with unhealthy, processed foods. Instead, prioritize whole foods such as lean proteins, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods will not only keep you full and satisfied, but also provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally during the fasting period. Another key strategy is to stay hydrated. During the fasting period, you should continue to drink water, herbal teas, or black coffee. Staying hydrated can help curb hunger and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Some people also find that adding a pinch of salt to their water helps maintain electrolyte balance, particularly during longer fasting periods.
It's also crucial to listen to your body. While the 16-hour fast can be highly effective for many people, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Some individuals may find it difficult to adjust to the fasting window at first, especially if they are used to eating breakfast early in the morning. In these cases, it can be helpful to ease into the fasting routine gradually. For example, you might start with a 12-hour fasting window and slowly increase it to 14 or 16 hours over time. This gradual transition can make the process more manageable and sustainable in the long term. As with any weight loss strategy, there are potential challenges and obstacles that can arise when implementing the 16-hour fast. One common hurdle is hunger during the fasting period, particularly in the morning when many people are used to eating breakfast. To combat this, it's important to make sure your last meal before the fast is balanced and satisfying. Including a combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in your evening meal can help keep you feeling full for longer and reduce the likelihood of waking up hungry. Another potential challenge is social situations. Many social events revolve around food, and it can be difficult to stick to your fasting window when you're invited to a dinner or brunch outside of your eating period. In these situations, it's important to be flexible. Intermittent fasting doesn't have to be rigid. If you need to adjust your eating window occasionally to accommodate a social event, that's okay. The key is to maintain consistency most of the time while allowing yourself some flexibility when necessary. Lastly, it's important to be mindful of how your body responds to fasting. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial for many people, it's not suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or eating disorders, should consult a healthcare professional before starting a fasting regimen. Additionally, pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid intermittent fasting, as their bodies require more consistent nourishment to support both their health and the health of their baby. In conclusion, the 16-hour fast is a powerful and accessible tool for weight loss, grounded in the principles of caloric restriction and metabolic switching. By extending the time between meals, the body is encouraged to burn fat for energy, leading to more efficient fat loss. With research backing its effectiveness and practical strategies for implementation, the 16-hour fast offers a sustainable approach to weight management. However, it's important to approach this method with flexibility and mindfulness, ensuring that it fits your individual needs and lifestyle. The 16-hour fast, often referred to as intermittent fasting, has become one of the most popular methods for weight loss in recent years. This approach revolves around eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. But why is it so effective? And what is the science behind it? To understand the secret of the 16-hour fast, we need to delve into both the physiological and psychological mechanisms that make it a powerful tool for weight management. One of the primary reasons the 16-hour fast works so well is because it aligns with our natural circadian rhythms. A study published in the journal Cell Metabolism found that eating in alignment with our internal body clock can optimize the way our body processes food, leading to better metabolism and weight management. When you restrict your eating to a specific time window, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat during the fasting period. This is because, after several hours of fasting, your insulin levels drop significantly, allowing fat cells to release stored energy more easily. Moreover, fasting for 16 hours pushes your body into a state of ketosis, where it starts to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic shift can lead to significant weight loss over time, especially when combined with a healthy diet. A study conducted by the University of Illinois at Chicago found that participants who followed an intermittent fasting regimen lost an average of 3 to 8% of their body weight over a 3 to 24-week period. The same study also reported a reduction in waist circumference, indicating that fat loss was concentrated in the abdominal area, which is particularly beneficial for reducing the risk of heart disease and other metabolic disorders. But it's not just about fat loss. The 16-hour fast has also been shown to improve other health markers. According to Dr. Jason Fung, a leading expert in intermittent fasting, prolonged periods without food can reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, which are both crucial factors in preventing chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Additionally, fasting triggers a process known as autophagy, where the body begins to repair and recycle damaged cells, potentially reducing the risk of cancer and slowing down the aging process. However, like any weight loss strategy, the 16-hour fast isn't without its challenges. One of the most common issues people face when starting this regimen is hunger, particularly during the first few days. This is because the body is still accustomed to regular meal times and may signal hunger even when it doesn't need food. To overcome this, it's essential to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water during the fasting window. Some experts also recommend drinking black coffee or tea, as these beverages can help suppress appetite without breaking the fast. Over time, as the body adjusts to the new eating pattern, hunger pangs typically subside. Another challenge is the temptation to overeat during the 8-hour eating window, which can negate the benefits of fasting. To avoid this, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods that provide sustained energy throughout the day. Incorporating lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. Additionally, planning meals in advance can be a helpful strategy to ensure you're not reaching for unhealthy snacks when your eating window opens. Real-life examples further illustrate the effectiveness of the 16-hour fast. One case study published in Obesity Research and Clinical Practice followed a 45-year-old woman who had struggled with obesity for years. After implementing a 16-hour fasting regimen, she lost over 50 pounds in 6 months and reported improvements in her energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Her success was largely attributed to her consistency with the fasting schedule and her focus on eating nutrient-dense foods during the eating window. Similarly, actor Hugh Jackman famously used the 16-hour fast to get in shape for his role as Wolverine. In interviews, Jackman credited intermittent fasting with helping him shed fat while maintaining muscle mass. His regimen involved fasting from 8 p.m. This example highlights how the 16-hour fast can be an effective strategy not just for weight loss, but also for body composition and muscle retention when paired with a strength training program. For those considering the 16-hour fast, it's important to recognize that this approach may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or eating disorders, should consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Additionally, women may experience different hormonal responses to fasting, and some studies suggest that extended fasting periods could negatively affect reproductive health. Therefore, it's crucial to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, the 16-hour fast offers a promising strategy for weight loss and overall health improvement. By tapping into our body's natural metabolic processes, this method can help individuals lose weight, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. While challenges like hunger and overeating may arise, they can be managed with proper hydration, meal planning, and a focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. With consistency and dedication, the 16-hour fast can unlock a powerful path to a healthier, leaner body. The 16-hour fast, also known as intermittent fasting, is gaining popularity for its effectiveness in weight loss and overall health benefits. The concept is simple: you fast for 16 hours and then eat during an 8-hour window. By doing this, you give your body a break from constant digestion, allowing it to focus on other important functions like fat burning, cellular repair, and hormone regulation. One of the main reasons people see success with this method is because it helps to reduce calorie intake naturally. When you're limited to eating within a smaller time frame, it's easier to avoid unnecessary snacking or overeating, which are common obstacles for those trying to lose weight. Another benefit of the 16-hour fast is that it helps to regulate insulin levels. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, making it easier for your body to access stored fat for energy. This process, known as lipolysis, is crucial for weight loss, as it allows your body to burn fat more efficiently. Additionally, fasting can help improve your metabolism, increase energy levels, and even enhance mental clarity. By giving your body a break from constant food intake, you allow it to function at its best, promoting not only weight loss but also overall well-being. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's important to start slowly. Begin by gradually increasing your fasting window, starting with 12 hours and working your way up to 16. This will help your body adjust to the new eating pattern without feeling overwhelmed. During your eating window, focus on consuming nutrient-dense, whole foods that will provide your body with the necessary vitamins and minerals it needs to function optimally. Hydration is also key, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially during your fasting period. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can also enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. While you don't need to engage in intense workouts, staying active can help boost your metabolism and further promote fat loss. Try to include a mix of strength training and cardio exercises for the best results. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with your fasting schedule and stay committed to your goals. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full potential of the 16-hour fast for weight loss. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed, but with patience and dedication, you can achieve the results you're looking for. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on weight loss and healthy living. Let us know in the comments if you've tried intermittent fasting or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear about your experience. Stay tuned for more content, and remember, small changes can lead to big results.